So I love our Sundowner, but there are some things that just get on my nerves. Here are 5 things I hate. Now, the first thing I immediately noticed is that there was carpet in the cockpit. Now, there's 2 things that don't really go well together. Yes, water and carpet. And as you know, the sea is a wet place, and well, the cockpit is the wettest part of the boat. Now, this next thing is pretty disgusting. So there's like a toilet or non-toilet type thing as soon as you enter through the companionway, and well, it's one of those things that you wouldn't have first noticed, but when you pull it out, um, there was some pretty disgusting stuff in there. I don't know what that is. I'm not going to investigate what that is. But yeah, as Connor emptying that, well, I'm just glad it wasn't me emptying it. And there's actually a storage compartment next to it. It looks like a bit of a storage cubby, and yeah, I think there's actually pee in there. But again, I can't verify it. But again, it's those little design choices, I guess you could call it, that make a boat quite difficult to live with. Next one, we're staying on the interior, and well, just take a look at these cushions. Can you imagine 20 years ago, or however long ago it was, going in to a dealership and specifying these cushions? Just an unbelievable decision, if I'm being honest. And we are definitely going to change them for something a bit nicer, a bit more modern. I suppose they have done a job, but yeah, those are never going back in the boat again. So our next one, a lot of you boat people out there will understand. You want to change some things on your boat, you'll spend time removing the bits and pieces that you want to find, only to see someone else's terrible handiwork. I mean, if you look at this, upholstery on is not really a problem, but look at how shoddy this work is from the factory. It's not straight at all, and it's just one of those little things with a brand as big as this. They would take some care into building it into the GRP, but it's just one of those little things. Could we fix it? Yes. Will we fix it? Maybe eventually. Eventually we'll fix it. So the final thing I hate about this boat, and it's not really anything to do with the boat, well, it kind of is the trailer. Now, the boat is really heavy, as you can probably see, but the trailer for it is really terrible. It doesn't sit right on the trailer. There's no lashing points, and nothing works at all really on it, and there's nothing to guide the wheel, and it keeps falling off. So this is exactly the sort of thing I'd tell someone to look at if they were buying one of these boats, because when you're standing at the marina viewing it, you'd probably never even think about it because your focus is on the boat. But yeah, after you start towing it, you realise why it matters. Actually, it's something that we might actually have to fix in the future because it is that bad. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see us try and fix it. But anyway, that's just been 5 things that we don't like about the boat. Now we've had time to strip it down and look at it a bit closer. If you want to see 5 things that we like about this boat, try and be a bit more positive, well, let us know in the comments and we'll get that to you. Well, yeah, have a good one, guys. See you later.